Welcome to Sammy and Prati Vlogs. So today it's my birthday, aka Sammy's birthday. So today I'll be showing what I got for my 12th birthday.
Yeah.
So let's start. Okay, so first I got this Instax camera. You can see, mini one. So yeah, you see, like this.
It's very cool.
Yeah, I like it a lot. It's so beautiful. It has this really nice color, like
Yeah.
teal and all. I don't know.
Like teal only.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
Then I got this film for it. I guess film or refill. I don't know really.
Now this is Harry Potter tune.
Then I got this box of Harry Potter because I'm a Potterhead. So like this. Yeah, like this. This 1 minute it takes.
I can do it. Like this.
Isn't this cool?
sounds
It just sounds like the Harry Potter main
tune.
tune, yeah.
Yeah. It's very cool. When we do it,
Did you guys hear it?
Cool.
I don't know really. Then I got this Harry Potter bookmark. You can see
The Harry Potter fan.
Potterhead.
That's
So these are like, I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. Then I would rather be at Hogwarts, and then don't let the muggles get you down. Then Hogwarts Express and all these Hogwarts houses. Then I even go, like these magnetic bookmarks are far better than the other bookmarks because they cling on your. Where's my magnetic bookmark? I don't know really. Oh yeah, here is it. So you can see this is wizards can only read this. So I'm just reading the Harry Potter. I was at the second task, yeah. So I can just cling this over here.
It didn't work actually, but
No, it did work. It does work. I was not like this. You see, it's cling.
it's very cool.
Yeah, you know, I like this a lot. I had this of Tom and Jerry first, but I don't like Tom and Jerry.
Yeah, we can see also where I am.
Then I got this canvas board because I am interested in painting these days. Yeah, I like painting these days. I'm even learning these days. So yeah, like these canvas boards. These are so small. Then I got these VSCO aesthetic stickers. You can see
It
these.
is very cool.
These are
and
really cool. You can even put them in your laptop. So
and one on your phone also,
yeah.
like this.
I just like this is Spider-Man, and this is a boy wearing the Star Wars mask, and this is a pixel heart. Isn't this cute? These are like really exciting, yeah. Then I also. Then what am I missing? Yeah. Then I got this lip smacker of Fanta. Isn't this cool? You know, like this opens up like a lip balm, but it's a lip. It doesn't even look like it. It's really cute. You can see the eyes floating over here. Fake eyes. Then I got these eclectic colors. Yeah, these eclectic
Everyone
colors.
need this for painting in
Obviously,
canvases.
yeah, right. Obviously, it's a must
Yeah.
to go with. Then this one is a brush pen. Then I got this Gemini notebook from Nautanki Shala. So like you can see these all pages are plain.
And she also gave a bookmark also.
Just one more chapter. It's so like true, you know. And it says Gemini, bubbly, quizzical, intellectual, funny, and energetic. Oops. Like this, you see? I don't know, you can see, guys. No, really. Then I got these Harry Potter books, which I'll read in the lockdown. Obviously, I gotta read something. I got these. Then I got these Art Line Supreme Fine Liners, like you see. These are really cute, you know. You can use them for shading and.
Yeah, shading.
Then I got this Samyang.
We want it.
Samyang. So I got this 1x because I don't think we can eat 2x.
Yeah.
With just
it
little
is very
kids.
spicy.
We do see some challenges because you know we don't eat that much spice. So
Yeah.
like Samyang 1x will also be enough for us.
Yeah.
So I will I guess do a Samyang challenge.
And
So
stay tuned.
So they say we got this hot chicken flavored ramen. You can see the chicken or something like that. It looks like a dumpling. I don't know why. So it's really nice. It's I guess a Korean dish. Korean noodle. Yeah, I got this Coca-Cola lip balm. You see, like these are different flavors. I don't know.
Yeah.
Like this one. You see.
This
I
boxing
got-
is very
Yeah,
cool.
really. You see, you can see the
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. One I got the normal flavor, lip smacker. Then I got the Coca-Cola vanilla. Then I got the Coca-Cola cherry. Then I got the normal Coca-Cola. Then I got two each. Yeah, like vanilla and cherry
Yeah.
and normal one, original one. Then I got
This
these
is also
brushes.
for painting.
Which is a
Everybody
must.
need also that only.
Yeah, obviously these brushes. I got these.
These are the big one and this
Chisel
is the
shaped in, you know,
small,
like
yeah.
these are round shape. Yes, these are Then I got these JBL headphone. Pure sound. Then I got the, yeah, like you can see, yeah. This is the technical stuff. So I got this last gift, which is the main one for me. So I got this Xbox One.
One.
Yeah, I
need it. And
so he also share with me, right? I don't know why he's not getting it, but I got this Xbox One with the. I don't know. I'm not I'm really not a gamer, so I'll.
but
start this, I
we
guess.
like FIFA. We can
Yeah.
play it.
Yeah, we did play FIFA only 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Only 2, 3 times.
In our
Thank you. So then we got this. I don't know which game is this. I never heard it really.
Devil Maker.
Devil May Cry 5 Deluxe Edition. So we got this. I don't know really. It's a
We
special
didn't play
edition.
any
So
game.
we'll play. I don't know really. We
we
don't know how because our
play this because we didn't play ever
this game. Yeah, we just played FIFA and Just Dance.
Yeah. Just Dance was very cool.
Yeah, you know right. Yeah, we'll also buy these games.
Yeah.
Obviously. Then I got some money from my other relatives. So this is all. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and do
click
the like button and do share the video. So bye guys.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching.